stop playing with him.
facebyjdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Yes. See, this ain't nothing that you used to. Out of the ordinary, unusual. You gotta
Girl, all the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to get these super long bohemian goddess fox locks. They're actually crochet, they're not goddess, they're just like kind of messy fox locks, and they're dummy long. So I'm gonna stand them for you guys so you guys can see the length. So they're super long. I ended up buying 6 packs of hair and I used about 5.5 packs of hair. So I would say if you want them like this tiny, you're gonna need 6 packs of hair too. I really love them, they're super cute. They haven't been tangling. Like, what is matting together are these little jewels. So these jewels are causing the locks to kind of entwine with each other, but the jewels are so cute. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections. I do a great job at responding to everybody, and hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. So let me show you guys what I mean. We're gonna start off with a regular, I like kind of twist it, then I just make a regular individual. And quite frankly, I don't bring it all the way down. I just leave it there because we're a little bit lazy. So after that one, we go to the next one. So yeah, this part right here actually takes the most energy. So for me, it was easier to separate it, like, you know, plait it, separate it. You could easily braid your whole head, then come back and lock it, but it's like, damn, my whole head is braided, now I gotta lock it. No, I was braiding it, like doing a section, then locking it. Took a lot less time. So this whole hairstyle has taken me a total of 5 hours. To me, that's great. The last fox locks tutorial I did, and they were like waist length, it took me 14 hours. That's a lot of time, and these are actually longer. They're definitely thicker. My other ones were super thin, super cute. These are super cute too. They're just a different style. I think the messier the look, cuter. We are very pregnant, so. Whew. Baby is here for the majority of the day. That's why I hope you guys don't be disliking my videos and stuff. The majority of this video, I did it in the bed. I was laying down like, I know they want a tutorial, so I made sure to remember to give you a tutorial on the top, because when I was doing the back and I was in the bed and I was very lazy. Actually just sent my husband on a quest to go get me some watermelon ice cream. When that gets here, I'll take another little break. Ice cream's here. I'm taking an ice cream. Oh, how many did you get today?
4 scoops. Whoever it was today said that they must have gave us small scoops last time.
Yeah, they did. Ooh, did you get your scoops too?
Yeah.
Okay. Watermelon ice cream is here. 4 scoops. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. Finish the whole thing. So let me show you guys what we're gonna do. So I just take the Bobbi Boss lock. It's the Bomba. Bobbi Boss Bomba is what we're gonna use. We're gonna take it, spread it apart. Spread it apart at the root. We're gonna stick one end through the hair, just like that. Make it as long as you want, as short as you want. The ones in the back, I tied a knot. The ones in the front, I actually didn't tie a knot because they all ended up staying. What I did do was the shorter end, whatever the shorter piece is, I wrap it around the root like 3 to 4 times, just so we know it's on there. Then I pull it all the way down. The more you unravel and the tighter you tighten, the thinner the dread will be. I made some of them big, like you can see this one is pretty thick, and that's just to give me a more feel of natural dreads. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, if you're looking for a different type of lock, if you want goddess locks, I have a tutorial of where I showed you guys how to do goddess locks. I'll link it in the cards. Also, any faux lock tutorial that I have done, I'll link it in the description for you guys so you guys can check them all out, because they're all actually pretty different. Yeah, I really enjoyed locks. I do fox locks quite often. It takes no time. We're literally almost done. The cool thing is we don't have to wrap it all the way down. And I just pull it through, and that's it. I don't even secure it. I don't lock it, I don't do none of that. All right, so let me show you again. You're gonna take it from this loop. If it's easier for you to put a rat tail comb in the middle, then open it, just do whatever you feel. If you didn't do a little twist, you're gonna make an opening pull that sucker through. Then we're gonna take the shorter end, wrap it around the base a few times. And I'm gonna show you guys how long they are because they are past my waist. And this hair is originally 18 inches. I think personally, the longer you wear like faux locks, cuter they look. We've got going. We got some really cute jewels we're gonna put in our hair. When I put on a scarf and go to sleep for the night, they're gonna lay a bit flatter. Right now they're bulky because they're fresh, they're new, they're here. Now we're going to do our little jewels. So we got some jewels. I didn't realize how to put these on until like literally just now. So I guess we just wrap it around. So we just see where we want everything. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections. I do a great job at responding to everybody. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial.
Worth more than a cup of meal, pockets full of skrill. Why your man calling on me? Make him pay my bills. I don't give a fuck. I get fucked up about shit. Big girl wheels when I'm pulling up. Fuck out my face, you don't know me. Nah, I can't let you hit cause you ain't low key. Pillow talking ass. All is red.